And one pan to share out of for their food. Then I'd say, I don't know, next couple days I will split them up into 2 pans, but I want them just to learn to eat with one another. That's really important to me, that the puppies learn to eat together, that they learn to be able to share food with their litter mates. I don't like the individual bowls until they're older. Like just right before go home, I give them each individual bowls just to get them used to eating out of an individual bowl. But I don't like it. Let them eat, okay? I don't like it when they're this age. I just think that it helps to prevent some resource guarding to feed them together. So that's just my take. But as you guys seen, which I'm not going to show you, but they're using their potty areas wonderfully. They're keeping their entire area clean. And right now 50% of it is the potty area, and then 50% of their whelping box is where they sleep at night. So that's, you know, kind of how the setup is. It makes for more successful potty training. So they're going over there to actively use the bathroom where they need to go, but then they sleep on this side. And mom was in here. You guys seen mom in here with them, so she can get in and out to feed them, which she does. And then when they're done eating, which I'll leave them eat for a little bit, then I put them in, I'll show you guys here. I put them in this here, which I'll have to set this up, get this all ready for them to come in and play, but this is where they go. So I'll show you guys that here in a few. Okay, so I have it set up now, and they hear me and they want to come out and play, but these are pads here for traction. Probably actually lay one more down right here, but that's where they can then lay. Their potty areas here. They've got this here that wobbles back and forth, and a little mini slide. It's really tiny. And then their water over there, their other water dish broke, so I'm using this until I get the other one, which it's on the way from Amazon. But I don't like to use a bowl, but I like to use a different type of water system, but a bowl will do for today. And then I put these tactile like footing, which one is like more bumpy, one's more spiky, and I put it by the water because I know they're going to go to their water, and it just gets them used to walking across that in a positive way. So, and that's their potty area over there, and then that's the other part to their play system, but I'm not going to put it all in there because I don't want to overwhelm them. So it's just, I'm introducing like literally just these 2 things today, and I'll let them have that for a couple days, and then I'll introduce something the other day after that. So I'm going to put the puppies in here, and then I'll show you guys what they look like once they're in here and they're playing. Good job, yes. Yes, good baby. Yes. 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 Good job. Good job. And remember, these puppies are 4 weeks old. This is their first ever exposure to anything like this. And they are trusting me. Come here. Good job. To go where I'm asking them to go. Good puppy. Good job. Yes. Good. Good. And I'm offering them a yes as a reward for what they're doing. So, good job. Good. Good pups. And I'm sitting with them and just letting them take it all in and giving them keywords of yes good job, when I am approving of what they're doing. So, and they're doing just what I thought that they would. So, yes, good puppies, good jobs. Yes, you're a good job. Hi, you playing over here? Good job. Okay, you see me clean that. And here's the puppies. Hi, little guys. And put them all in a little tote. Hey! While they wait for me to clean. Oh, I know you guys went out. You went out. Okay, I'm gonna go get your mom back in here so she can feed you guys. Huh. You guys are so cute. Okay, so moms are feeding puppies now. Their area is cleaned. They're still in here. Mom's gonna feed them. They kind of eat standing up now. They really don't lay down as much. So that's what we're doing. So, but her area was just cleaned. And then, yeah, so that's mid-afternoon. Yeah. Once they're done eating, then moms will probably come back out again because they really don't want to spend a ton of time with them right now when their teeth is coming in. And then what's interesting is she tends to want to go back with her puppies once they get a little bit bigger and play with them. So that's pretty much it right now. And then I'm going to feed these guys a second bowl of food here in a minute too. the puppy mush, and I already have it made and it's soaking. You can hear them. You can hear those guys in there. And there's some. So. But these guys here, they'll be 4 weeks old this week. So. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.